Hop into the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado. Get the job done in sleek and sporty style in the versatile Colorado, the midsize pickup that has the amenities and technology to keep you safe, comfortable, and connected. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: convenience package, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, keyless entry, navigation system, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, bed liner, heated mirrors. Have fun, drive smart, get the job done. Count on the Colorado.